So it's going to be, you break it into two. Well, let's do it this way. It's going to be 3/6. Now let's see how it's possible. 3/6 n minus 1 and n minus 1. And then there's a leftover 1/6 over here, which would make 6 to the n. Do you see what I did? Maybe an extra step, I could show it before doing that. It'll be 3n minus 1. 6n minus 1 times 6, like so. And then it becomes 3/6 and 2 minus n minus 1 and 1/6. And n starts from 1 to infinity. Then that is going to n is 1 to infinity. Then we use the geometric series. Geometric series says this is by r. So always write down r is 3/6, which is 1/2, like so. It's less than 1. Thus, we already know the series will converge because it's only multiplied by 1/6. 1/6 will be like standing outside. It doesn't have n anymore. So we technically speaking can write it down as 1/6 series 3/6, and you don't have to write it 3/6. You can simplify it. That will be 1/2 to the n minus 1 n from 1 to infinity, like so. So definitely converges because by absolute value, it's less than 1. That's important. Now converges to what? Converges to sum, and the sum has a formula. The first term, 1 minus ratio r, common factor. What is the first term? You have to be careful here. The first term will be when n is 1, 1/6 is standing outside, times 1/2 raised to the 0. 1/2 raised to the 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. It's just 1. So 1/6 is the first term. And 1 minus 1/2 because that is my r. So 1/2 is r. Simplifying this will be 1/6 times 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. Dividing by 1/2 means multiplying by 2. So the answer is 2/6, which is 1/3.